Hi, hello and welcome back. In our previous videos, we'd have seen how to prepare a tandoori masala. Today, we're going to use this masala to prepare a tandoori dish. But before that, hit the subscribe button below for more videos. We're going to cook tandoori quail. Quail are small little birds that are farmed for meat and eggs, and this is easily available in the market. I have taken 7 birds without skin. These birds can be purchased by the quantity of the bird that you purchase, not by the weight that the bird weighs. Now we will cut slits for marination. For preparing the masala, we will take 100 ml of thick curd, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. Now add 2.5 teaspoons of tandoori masala. Now if you want to know how to prepare the masala, please look at my video on how to prepare this tandoori masala. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of oranges. This would give you a different flavor, but if in case you don't get oranges, then you can use lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of edible oil. Now we will massage these birds with the masala that we prepared. Allow it to marinate overnight for best results. I'm not going to use a tandoori oven for preparing this tandoor. I'm just going to cook this in an ODJ. We will grease a pan with the oil and we will place the marinated tandoori quails in the pan. Now we will set the oven to 250 degrees and the timer should be set for 40 minutes. 5 minutes for preheating and 35 minutes for cooking the quails. Now that the oven is preheated for 5 minutes, now we will place the marinated quails in the oven. Now this has been cooking for 35 minutes. We're gonna remove it from the oven. Yummy quail tandoori is ready. Hope you love my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.